Hey guys, this is Miss Yaya here, and I'm just going to do a little video about my candle line. As you know, I am MRS Candle Lady, and basically it stands for Missy Rich Scents. And I'm starting out with the candles. Of course, there'll be different scents added and different items, but I'm starting out with the candles, and I love candles so much. That's basically why I started this business. I wanted to have another income, for my family. I am a stay-at-home mom now. For the first time, I've always worked, so I just wanted to start a business online. It's something I love, and since I love candles so much, all types of candles. You have your scented candles, you have your unscented candles, but I wanted to do a line with scented candles and also candles that give you a good feeling, a soothing feeling, not always a candle that is an apple candle that can, light up your whole house with candle smell, apple smell or anything like that. So I didn't want to do a fruit scent or anything like that you can get at the store. I wanted to be original and do my own thing. So I wanted to focus more on the type of jars and containers that I do my candles in. And so I know you may see a lot of candles on my website, mrsscents.com, but I have some new ones that I'm going to be putting up there. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the new things that I'm working on here, like this candle. Now this is a spa candle, and I have two different types of candles. I have the aroma filled candle, which is candle with the color dye in it, and I have the candles with no dye in it, less toxic, and I wanted to do something different with it. So yes, this is the container, 10 ounce, and it looks a little crumbly inside because there are rocks inside, and I love it because once you light it and everything, it looks like it's like rocks at the bottom of the ocean or something. So I love this type of candle, and this will be up on the website today. And oh, it smells so good. Let me see. I write down my scents and the things that I use, because I never use, just one scent all the time. I use mixtures of essential oils, natural essential oils, and certain fragrance that will give you like a spa feeling. So with my spa candles, I want you to have that spa feeling in a candle. And this one is filled with eucalyptus essential oil and a Hawaiian mist. I'm looking at my baby. I have a 5-month-old baby, guys. Yes, so I just had a baby 5 months ago, and again, like I said, I'm at home now. I have also a 5-year-old daughter, and I'm doing this for them. I want to do this candle line, and I want to make it big. I want to have a candle store. This is my baby Dahlia. This is my 5-year-old. And she does her little YouTube videos as well, because she always watch me. But yeah, so this is the spa candle. So now on the aroma filled candle. This is an aroma filled candle. As you can see, it has a color to it. For all of my candles, whether it's an aroma filled candle or a spa light candle, all of them have natural soy wax, which is 100% soy. It's a vegan wax, which is edible. Of course, don't eat the candles because you have oils and things added into it. But I use natural soy wax. This is a pink candle. Oh, thank you, boo. And you can see a little frost in there, but that is nothing. That's just how it dries sometimes. But the candle, it smells amazing. It smells amazing while I'm holding it right here. I'm telling you, I can smell it. How do it smell?
It smells like sugar to me.
Really, I didn't know sugar had a smell, but it smells so good. And with this aroma filled candle, we have added jasmine essential oils, lemon essential oils, lavender, rose, and a little sugar So it's a lot added into this. Of course, it's different measurements of what's added into it to get the smell. That's why you will never find this candle or this scent in stores. You'll only find it at mrscents.com or, you know, by emailing me. So we have two different type of lines I'm trying to do on the website. I just changed everything, and yes, I increased the prices. I'm so glad you all that have purchased so far made me really like motivated and believe in myself. So I have increased the prices, but not too much. This is the Aromafill line. This is the Spotlight line. All have different scents.
Smells like chocolate.
Okay, so another thing I wanted to discuss with my candles is the names of my candles. So I didn't want to name my candle, you know, after the names of the scent because I put so many scents together. So I didn't want to name the candle after the scent. I named the candles after the feel of the candle, the feel of the oils combined. And yes, I had to do my research on that. I did a lot, you know, me and Google did a lot together. And I would ask Google, you know, with these essential oils, what type of feeling would it give you? And it gave me different type of feelings, and I put my own names to the candles. So when I use the color pink in the candle, I try to use the same type of oils and fragrances combined. The pink candle is either kind-hearted or it could be love, but that's the name of the candles when I use pink. So I try to use the same colors when I use the pink candle, same oils when I use the green candle, the yellow candle, all of that. All right, so I will be back. My baby's starting to cry, and I do have to take care of that first. Again, that's why we have these. And I'll be back to do a different video.